Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Clear Hue. If you are new here, namaste. My name is Dr. Rakshita and this channel is all about skincare, wellness and makeup. So if any of these interest you, don't forget to subscribe. I have this huge pimple right here that I've covered with a pimple patch, and one here that again is covered. You can't see the pimple patch, it's beautiful. I am breaking out currently because I was recently very stressed, and stress generally, disrupts my entire hormonal balance, and I end up with a lot of hormonal acne and hair fall both. So that is why my skin is going through a bit of a rough patch. This I've had for a while. This one, it's not really a pimple, it's like a huge, like a comedone only, but a closed comedone that you can't do anything about it. So I'm putting benzoyl peroxide on it and it shrinks, but otherwise I am breaking out quite a lot. But yeah, this one was pretty big, so I covered it with a pimple patch. And now in today's video we will be talking about the Dermaco's sunscreen spray. I was very excited about this when I saw this. I did not see this on their website, I saw this on Nykaa, which is why I immediately just grabbed it. I had some points on Nykaa also, so I got it for like 500 rupees. But yeah, this spray I was very excited for because everything from their range I have really liked. So I can't wait to review this, and without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So guys, I'm gonna discuss the sun filters that are in here. The first one is Octinoxate, which is a UVB sun filter. Then we have Avobenzone, which is a UVA sun filter. We have Octocrylene, which is a UVA and UVB, basically a hybrid sun filter. We have both titanium and zinc oxide, which like titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, which are both mineral or physical sun filters and are both broad spectrum. So in total there are 5 sun filters in this sunscreen spray. Now talking about my experience with this one, this particular sunscreen spray, I'll tell you what it feels like. It feels exactly like this sunscreen, the 1% hyaluronic acid sunscreen in like a more liquidy spray form. I'll quickly show you what it is like. It is not like a very fine mist or spray. If you've ever used the Aven sunscreen spray or any other sunscreen sprays that were in the market before, like the recent launches, then you'd know this one feels almost exactly like it. Let me just quickly show you what it is like, because this it's now it's opened. It's, by the way, it's double sealed. There's this cap and then there's another transparent cap, so you can travel with it. It's not gonna leak, which is something I genuinely appreciate. But yeah, this is the sunscreen spray. Every time you use any sunscreen sprays, always shake them. So shake this one as well. Now let me keep my mic down and show you what it applies like. As you could probably tell, this is a whitish colored liquid that sprays out nicely. Now I do wish their mister was a bit more fine. The mist is not that fine I would like to. Like for example, the 52 Sundays sunscreen spray, I will review this one also. Either the review is already out or it will be after this one. But yeah, this sunscreen spray, for example, their mister is extremely fine. It's literally like the most fine mist I've ever seen. This one not so much. Like on my face it still looked like it is pretty fine because I sprayed it from a distance, but on my hand you could see it creates like a whitish circle. So that's the thing. I still love it though, because on the skin, one, it doesn't sting your eyes. It didn't sting my skin. It doesn't feel chip at all. It immediately seeps into your skin. Like even on my hand, within seconds it was absorbed. So that is wonderful. I quite like it actually. But the only and only drawback is that when you put this on, you kind of have to rub it in like this, because even on your face, even if you've sprayed it from a distance, you would see a bit of whitish like residue on your face that you'll have to rub it in like this. Alright, and then the minute you do this, it's gonna go. But if you're wearing a lot of makeup, you can't rub your face. That's the whole problem with reapplication, and that is where I feel like this would not be as, I forgot the word for it, but not just as convenient. But you can also do this. You can spray and then just do this and let the sunscreen absorb itself, let it sit. If you're in a hurry, you'll have to rub it. Otherwise you can just let the sunscreen absorb. It does pretty well in that regard also. So if you want this, you can get it. It is actually pretty nice. Especially I love this for the body more than for the face, even though on the face also it's perfect. I'm extremely oily, acne prone skin type, and this did not make my face look greasy, oily, anything. Like I said, the 1% hyaluronic acid sunscreen gel, which is one of my favorite sunscreens of all time, this is a more watered down version of that. So naturally I like it. This entire range has never disappointed me, so I'm not disappointed in this. It's just I've tried something like this, which is like a very watery spray that literally goes transparent like water. So I feel like I'm comparing it to that, but on its own this is such a wonderful sunscreen spray. But yeah, again, if you are wearing a lot of makeup, spray it a couple times, there will be a bit of like whitish residue like it was on my hand. You can let it sit for like 2 minutes and it'll absorb on its own. You can do that. If you're not wearing any makeup, then spray it and you can simply rub it a bit and it goes on very nicely. So you can reapply with this sunscreen spray as well. This is wonderful. It's fragrance free as well, which is, I don't mind fragrance in my skincare products, but a lot of people are allergic to fragrance, or they have inflammatory skin conditions. So for them this is fragrance free as well. This is pretty budget friendly for like 100 ml bottle. The bottle is cute, everything's pretty nice about this one. It has a lot of good sun filters too, so I personally really like it, and yeah, I would recommend this. Yeah. So guys, that was it for today's video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to leave a comment, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.